Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add image in Photopea. So to do that, first go to your browser, and once you're here, search for Photopea. So this is an online photo editor. Click here. Alright, so once you're here, all you have to do is click on New Project and then select any template. Alright, so if you want to add image over here, all you have to do is click on File, click on Open. Now go to your pictures, click on any image, and there you go. That is how you can add image in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.